Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to create a group in WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the New Group option. Tap on the contacts names to add them to your group. You can also search for specific contacts using the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap the OK button in the top right corner of your screen when you are ready to continue. Add a group name. Add a picture to your group. You can do so by tapping the camera icon next to the group name, then selecting a photo from your library. Tap the check mark when you're finished. This is how we can create a group in WhatsApp on an Android device.